Yeah, a bit falling off. The horse is okay. Hi everyone. We're recording? Yes, we're recording. Hi everyone. What's the plan for today? Today, we are going just for a quick ride. It's an hour and 20 minutes. Go to Milton Keynes, see some bikes in Superbike factory, and then back home really. Quite a lot of traffic as it's Sunday, so kind of expected. A little bit cloudy. That road's supposed to be clear. Obviously everyone had the same idea on Sunday afternoon. Try to overtake him. Yep. So what I'm going to do, what's it called? Superbike factory shop. They're selling bikes up, obviously they're not making them, even though it's called factory. So I've got two bikes, obviously this one, 2005 GS, just pretty old, but I absolutely love that bike. And I've got a Harley Davidson Street Bob Special, which in last year or so, I think I've done like 1,000 miles on it, which, you know, is not getting used as it should be. So I'm thinking about selling the Harley and get better GS, maybe 1250, depends of the budget. Okay. Back to national speed limits. Look at this. Look at this view. We can enjoy the view and the road a little bit better without any cars on it. Well, as I said, it's Sunday afternoon, so definitely going to be some traffic. Don't know what happened, but looks like it's two cars with horse trailers just stopped. I think that they took the horse out. Oh, the trailer I think looks like broke. Bits falling off. Yeah, bits falling off. The horse is okay. Looks everything. Oh, the horse is fine. Oops, little spill. Gonna have to wash that later. Tell you what, I love this bike. I really do. Put some lunch for later. Snacks. And I think we're here. Superbike factory main entrance. No, actually, let's go to the main car park. Alright, see you inside. Oh, this is why I think. Cool. 450 adventure. Squana Norden 901. It's quite a decent bike. They're quite nice. So there was two 1250 Adventure GS's, pretty much same price. Oh, 5 miles short from 70,000 on my bike. I'm not too sure about 1250. I think I need to test ride one just to make sure I'm gonna like it, because they are massive, absolutely massive, a lot bigger here. So I'm gonna need to test ride one before I make my mind. A few nice KTM's, and my favorite Desert X. I absolutely love the look of that bike. It's so much better this road than the other one. Loads of people going to the forest. Also, there was a Honda Africa Twin 1100, I think, or 1000, and that was quite nice as well. But I did have two Hondas before, and that was probably the most uncomfortable bikes or seats, and the most uncomfortable seats I ever had on any bikes. Yes, I know I can change the seat anyway, but why would you do a terrible seat if you know, put the price up, I don't know, £100 more and get a decent seat? That's quite a nice place here. I've been here. Oh, look at those guys here under the tree. Look, massive. Absolutely stunning. Watburn Abbey Deer Park or something like this. Sorry for my pronunciation. It's absolutely beautiful here. Are we gonna see any more deers? No, doesn't look like it. It's quite a nice road there. massive new estate building here, and look at those houses there. I'm sure they're not happy about the massive estate.